In a world full of hassle and bustle nowadays, humans are constantly looking for balance and harmony. Aspirations for a family life with peace, prosperity where their descendants strive, a successful career and lucky in business, and a substantially strong family background are always present. However, how do we realize that dream in the ever-changing wheel of life? Tuong Minh Feng Shui, established in 2014 in Vietnam, has brought customers efficient feng shui solutions, aiming for a conformable and fruitful life. We expanded our business to the US in 2019 with Tuong Minh International LLC, headquartered in Texas. With more than 10 years of experience, Tuong Minh has become a reliable consulting company for individuals and enterprise customers, including Angia Investment Group, Begreen JSC, Imperial Tobacco, Min Long Ceramics, JSC, BIDV Bank, Gamuda Land, Bac Hoi An, DKRS, Quoc Quang Land, and GES Global. The founder of Tuong Minh Feng Shui Academy, Master Nguyen Thanh Phuong, brought the knowledge of Dagua and Liu Fa to Vietnam, and is a full member of the International Feng Shui Association, IFSA. Together with his companions, Master Phuong has created respectable values, contributing to the strong development of Tuong Minh. Tuong Minh provides a wide range of feng shui services, such as residence feng shui, burial feng shui, and destiny consulting, and shares knowledge of feng shui through classes and seminars. House feng shui, with visible and invisible energies, has a tremendous impact on the life and growth of the house owner. Many of our customers have found remarkable improvement in their lives, health, and families after applying our feng shui advice.
Tôi đã từng sử dụng dịch vụ tư vấn phong thủy của Tường Minh. Sau khi được tư vấn và áp dụng rất nhiều phương pháp phong thủy cho nhà ở và công ty, cuộc sống gia đình tôi có sự cải thiện rõ rệt. Về phía công ty thì tài lộc được gia tăng đáng kể và nhân sự đã được ổn định.
In Yin House Feng Shui, if one selects an auspicious land for ancestors' burial, the descendants can enjoy long-lasting prosperity and good health. Therefore, only Yinzai Feng Shui can guarantee the prosperity and stability of one's relationship, health, finances, etc.
Phong thủy mộ phần thì không kém phần quan trọng so với phong thủy của nhà đất. Khách hàng của mình tìm đến mua mộ phần tại Sala Garden cũng rất là quan trọng. Các vị trí cũng như là hướng phù hợp với từng gia đình. Dưới sự hỗ trợ của các bạn ở bên phong thủy Tường Minh, khách hàng của mình rất nhiều người đã tìm được những cái vị trí ưng ý, bởi vì là khi mà tổ tiên chúng ta được chôn cất dựa trên những cái vùng đất tốt thì đợi con cháu đời sau sẽ được hưng vượng nhiều đời. Mình luôn tin là như vậy.
One secret about Basi is that it can decode human life. Basi is an ancient Chinese science that has been verified for hundreds of years. Hence, anyone who strives for success should have a clear and satisfactory understanding of Basi. Besides consulting and replying to questions in many fields of life, Tuong Minh has trained hundreds of feng shui masters all over the country. In addition, our sharing and advice in business coaching seminars have helped many enterprises increase their profits thanks to a clear understanding and application of feng shui in their business.
Em đã tham gia các khóa học phong thủy của thầy Phương vì em muốn tự xem bát tự cho em và áp dụng những phương pháp phong thủy vào trong cuộc sống để mà thu hút điều may mắn, tích cực. Em đã nhận được rất là nhiều điều may mắn đến với cuộc sống của mình. Em cảm ơn thầy Phương và Trung tâm Phong thủy Tường Minh đã luôn đồng hành và hỗ trợ em trong suốt quá trình học cũng như là vận dụng những kiến thức vào trong cuộc sống.
Tuong Minh has been organizing feng shui discovery trips to many countries worldwide annually to help enrich students' knowledge and better utilize their expertise in reality. For the benefits of every customer, we always advise them to feng shui solutions, which are simple and appropriate to each individual. Using feng shui products not only helps balance the energy inside the house, bringing luck and fortune to the owner, but it is also the most straightforward method we commonly use for houses or workplaces, etc. Our feng shui advisory journey should not be limited to Vietnam. We expect to accompany our customers in Vietnamese communities in the US, Australia, etc. For this reason, we are evolving and expanding our market in the US, with our headquarters located in Texas. Feng Shui has become more and more important and prominent, especially in the field of real estate and business. The land with favorable Feng Shui can attract fortunes and auspiciousness for house owners and enterprises. So don't be ignorant about Feng Shui, since it can help attract positive energies, fortunes, and lucks, enhancing the quality of your life. Tuong Minh Feng Shui is always trying to support prosperity of the Vietnamese communities worldwide. Feng Shui is the art of creating balance and harmony between human beings and the environment in order to enhance all aspects of our well-being. Optimal Feng Shui solutions helps us promote good health, cultivate positive family relationships, revitalize energy, and invite affluence and success into our business ventures. Tuong Minh Feng Shui commits to touching lives and improving prosperity and harmony for every client.